All right, do you guys need an olive oil sprayer? That is why you're here. TrendPlain has a pretty awesome olive oil sprayer, so we're going to check it out. We're going to drop some olive oil in it and see how it works here. So I know there's a couple different options in the market, but at the end of the day, we're looking for something that's easy, effective, and you're not just adding something else to the household. So you have different things from a stream to a fine mist that you can spray with it. I have really nice packaging here. You can see it will show you how much you're holding from milliliter and ounces side of things. So this holds up to 14 ounces and it has up to 400 milliliters. It's going to be a full bottle. You have an option to pour out the top. Check that out. So this little piece right here gives you a pour out the top. You can also do your pump spray from the back just like that, and it's going to come out this front tip. So guys, you know what we should do is go ahead and drop some olive oil in here. I'm going to rinse it out real quick so we can do that here for you guys. All right, so we went ahead and rinsed it out, and we're going to drop some olive oil in here and see how it works. We got the good stuff. I don't know about you, but making sure we got some good stuff here. See how much we need in the bottom. Shouldn't have to do too much. We got it to about 2 ounces of olive oil. And let me go ahead and grab something that we can spray some olive oil in. Handy dandy bowl. You're going to drop the cap on just like so. Okay. And again, you have two options. You got the pump on the back. So let's get in here. Pump on the back. I'm going to give it a couple pumps. And you can see it pull up in the straw. I don't know if you guys can notice this, but it just filled all that up. Oh, yeah, look at that. So that is in there pretty nicely. Now, if I wanted to and I need a little extra, just like so, I can pour it out and have no problems. I'll be honest with you, kind of blown away. Super sweet little product. And it makes it a whole lot easier to provide some controlled sprays. So I might be using this whole entire bottle here, throwing it in there, and working it up. So TrendPlain, got to check them out.